Hi everyone, today let's solve the 2017 PSLE Math Paper 2 question 14. Now let's read the question together. Linda wanted to buy a bag. She saw a red bag on sale at 15% discount and a blue bag at 20% discount. Both bags had the same original price before the discount. To buy the red bag, Linda would need $2.50 more than what she had. So Linda bought the blue bag. After that, she had $2 left. Part A, what was the original price of the red bag? Part B, how much money did Linda have at first? Okay, to solve part A, we need to draw several rectangles to represent the original price of the bags and the money that Linda paid. Okay, now let's look at the first rectangle. It represents the original price of the red bag. And we know the red bag was on sale at 50% off. So, okay, you can see this part is 15% off. And we also know if Linda would like to buy the red bag, she would need $2.50 more. Okay, so you can see the second rectangle I draw with dots, this part, it represents Linda is short of $2.50. Okay. Then let's look at the next two blue rectangles. Now let's look at the bottom first. The bottom blue rectangle represents the original price of the blue bag, and we also know this part. Okay, let's look at this part. This bag is also on discount. Okay, it's 20% off. And so Linda eventually bought the blue bag, and after buying the blue bag, she still had $2 left. So okay, now see this part. This part means that Linda still had $2 left. Okay. So now next part, let's observe these four rectangles closely. Now let's focus on the purple dots. Okay. So you can look carefully first. Now let's focus on the middle part. Okay. The green part. This part. So we see this part is okay equals to $2.50 plus $2, $4.50. And then next. So if you look at the top and the bottom, so you see that's the difference between the two discounts. Right? Okay. Now the red bag is 15% off, but the blue bag is 20% off. So we know the difference is, let's use 20% subject 15% from 20%. The difference is 5%. So you can see clearly. Now let me draw it here. The difference or the money is $4.50. And the percent in difference is 5%. Okay, which means $4.50 is exactly the 5% of the original price of the bag. So therefore, now we can use this relationship to find the original price of the bag. Okay, so I use $4, 50%, okay, divided by 5%. So the original price of the bag is $90. Okay, that's the answer for part A. Next, let's solve part B. Okay, how much money did Linda have at first? Okay, so now let's take the blue bag as an example. Now we know the original price of the blue bag is $90 and is 20% off. So which means Linda only need to pay 80% of the original price. Okay. And we also know after buying the blue bag, Linda had $2 left. So we need to add $2. Okay. Then we can find $90 times 80% plus $2. Okay. So at first, Linda had $74. Okay. Now that's the process how we solve question number 14. Okay. Well, the most important thing is you know how to turn the word problem into mathematical expression and how can you draw rectangles to find the difference and the relationship, which is the key part for you to solve this problem. Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments below or contact me at the email on the screen. Okay, see you next time.